Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are going to continue answering our mathematics paper 1 for 2024. And we are going to focus on question 11. So this is our part 3. The question reads, the diagram below shows positions of towns A, B, and C. So this is the diagram that is showing the position of the towns A, B, and C. So these towns, as you can see, they are all lying on the same longitude of 60 degrees east. Okay. All right. So let us now look at our question A right here. So this is our question A. What is the time at A if it is 05 hours at B? So here we have point A and point B. Okay. So if at A it's 05 hours, what is the time at point B? So at point B, it will also be 05 hours. Why? Because point A and B, they are both lying on the same longitude, which is 60 degrees east. So if points are lying on the same longitude, they share the same the same time. Okay, so that is our answer. So here we are just going to write for the first one, the point at B will be 05 hours. Okay, so this is our answer. We now move on to our question B. All right, so we now come to our question B right here. Our question B reads, a plane flew from town A to town C in 5 hours. What was the speed of the plane in knots? So we want to find the speed in knots that the plane flew from this town A up to town C. Okay, so we need to find the speed of this plane in knots. So what we are going to do is this. So we know that to find speed, we can use this formula. Speed is equal to distance over time. So if we organize our data right here, we can see that we have speed, we also have distance, we also have time. So in the question they are saying, the plane flew from town A to town C 5 hours. So the time was 5 hours. So we need to find the speed. We'll put a question mark, we don't know. Then what is our distance? So we need to find the distance between town A and C. That's when we're going to substitute where there is D. And where there is time, we're going to put 5 hours. Okay? So from here, how do we find the distance? So we take a look at the points. So we are talking of point A and point C. So point A and C, they are lying on the same longitude. So we are finding the distance along the line of what? Longitude. So since point A and C, they are lying on the same longitude, we are going to get the latitude for point A and the latitude for point C. So point A is lying on latitude D. It's lying on latitude D, 60 degrees north, and the point C is lying on latitude. This point C is lying on latitude D, 30 degrees south. So because of these 2 points are lying on different hemispheres, north, south, we need to add. So we're going to say 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, and you get 90 degrees. So this is the difference in latitudes that you have gotten between point A and C. So we have added because they are lying on different hemispheres. So now we come back to our question. To find the distance of point C and the A, we are going to say distance is equal to theta times 60 degrees. So theta times 60 degrees. Okay, so we normally use this formula if the radius of the earth is in if it's in Newton hours. Okay, so we have used this because we are finding the distance, the speed in knots. So where there is theta, we are going to put the difference in what? In latitude. So distance is equal to our theta is going to be 90 because the difference in latitudes we have found is 90 between point A and C times 60. So distance is equal to So when you multiply this, we are going to get 90 times 60. We are going to get 5,400 nautical miles. So this is the distance. We have not answered the question. We now come back. Speed is equal to distance over time. So we are going to write speed is equal to, where there is distance, we put the distance we have found, which is 5,400 over what is our time. So our time is 5. So we are going to say speed equal to, so we can just say 5 here, it's a 5 here, it's a 1. 5 into this 5, it's a 1. So write a 1. Then here we say 5 into a 4. 5 into this 4, it's 0. It can't go there. So I'll combine 4 and the 0. 5 into 40, it's 8. So I'll write 8. And this 0 that is remaining. So this is our speed, which is 1080 knots. Okay. So we can just write our answer here, that our speed that we have found is 1080 knots. Okay, so these were the answers to this question. We've come to the end of our lesson. Thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.